be very difficult and could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Visit allroad.com for the latest road information.